The open garage door kind of makes this place look like a giant creature with a gaping mouth, doesn't it? I don't think I should film it this way again. But I also wanted to show you the garage because any additional finished space is a good thing when you're buying a townhome. Plus, hey, you have a garage with power if you want to have an electric car. The kitchen is not large enough to be a two-butt kitchen, unless you have small butts, which I don't have, but it definitely has some updates over the years. And I don't mean to imply that this place is small. In the context of townhomes, it's actually pretty good size. I mean, shoot, you have this rather large yard, which I've heard rumors say is the largest yard in the community. I don't know if it's true or not, but that's what they say. Interesting side note, apparently at some point, the community decided that no more fireplaces. So that fireplace in the living room is purely decorational. Also as a bonus, you have your own laundry. So no more hauling your laundry somewhere and spending time in the laundromat. Such a time saver right there. Also possibly more sanitary. I don't know. I haven't mentioned it yet, but this place does come with central AC. At this point, try not to buy a home that doesn't have AC. This year is probably going to be a really hot one, and well, just be good to yourself and buy a home that already has an AC in it. Another side note while we're talking about it being hot, part of your HOA dues goes to maintaining a pool here in the gated community, so that might be a bonus. Basically, you don't have far to go to dip into some water on those hot summer days. I mean, you have this bathtub in the bathroom too, but I don't think that counts. Anyway, if you would like to see this place in person, please send me a message and let's go. As always, good luck on your property search.